Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Kingdom Cash, Charles Dyson here with another amazing interview. My man William, also known as Harrison, my guy. Man, I'm super excited for this one. Can't wait to hear the wonderful testimony. And what I like to do at the beginning of every interview is to give people literally just the testimony. Tell me, how much you started with and what you were able to make and how long it took you.
I started with 150, or excuse me, I started with $90, and then within a day or two, I flipped it into 150, and then I was with your strategy that you teach, and then and I was like, all right, bet I'm gonna keep putting a little more money in there, and I got up to 500, right? And then I did another trade, and I got it up to 900, and then within the next 2 or 3 days, I took another trade, and I turned that 900 into 5 grand.
Sheesh. Wow. So okay, so you started with 150 or 90. You started with 90. You grew it to 150
Mm-hmm.
and in one day.
Yeah.
And then after that, you started loading up a little bit more to get it to 500.
Yep.
And once you got it to 500, you took it to 950 in 2 days.
Yeah. It was crazy, man. The movement and everything. I saw on your strategy hit. It told me to buy. I bought, and then within 2 days, it like flipped my money.
Wow. So then you flipped it from 950 to 5,000.
Yeah, I was like, I woke up in the middle of the night, and I saw it. It was like $1,000 in profit. Like, whoa, I'm gonna keep watching this, and I watched it like 3 or 4 more hours, and by the time it was over with, I was like 4 grand in profit. It was crazy.
Sheesh, man, that's amazing. All right, so I want people to understand because a lot of people watching this might be like, well, that sounds like it was hard. Was it hard for you?
No.
Super easy. And that's really what I want people to understand. I want the people watching this to understand that, it doesn't matter if you've never traded before. It doesn't matter if you don't even know how it works. This is simple, right? Harrison is another example of how easy this really can be. So when you did it, it's safe to say like you're gonna be a trader for life.
I'm gonna keep going with it, man. Seriously, this is gonna be part of my retirement fund. This is gonna be part of the beach vacation fund. Everything.
Everything. And you started on May 6, 2020. Today is May 31st, right?
Yes.
Absolutely. So it's literally been 25 days.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Wow, man. What would you say to people to help them understand why they should do this?
Well, a lot of times when you're going to work, you only get peanuts or you just get enough to get to work and pay for food. And with this opportunity, I was able to just turn the little extra money I had into something that exponentially grew. And it really has helped me out. I've been looking at some things to just improve my life. And it's really just a great opportunity,
Right. And so you helped a buddy of yours get started, right? And you were traveling to his house to help him get set up. Tell me about that.
All right, so my buddy wanted me to help him get set up because he had joined, and so what I did was I put in a trade to show him like what was up as soon as I got there. So I put in a trade. I drove like 20 minutes to his house. By the time I got there, I had $30, which was enough for the gas money to get there and a little bit of pizza.
so you so you actually made money on the way to his house.
Yeah. Yep.
Wow. Wow. And
about this, I was like, no, I'm not. This is real deal, man.
And I want people to know that you actually already paid yourself too.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes. We actually just got a brand new dryer and a brand new wash machine because that is going out of business is going to go out of business pretty soon. So
wow. So you went ahead and actually withdrew some money, got it, was able to take care of a few things with the money you made. Wow, that's amazing, man. That is absolutely amazing. And you figured out something special. You actually can do what? What can you do?
So my buddy, he's a typical teenager, right? He just got his phone and his games, right? I mean, I'm a typical teenager too, but anyways, so he has a PS4, and I was checking it out, and I was like, yo, I can do a lot of things about PS4. Let me see if I can put the charts on there, right? And so we usually recommend that you need a laptop, and like you use a laptop to see the indicators hit and all that stuff, so you know when to take a trade. But actually, you can do it on the PS4 too. And since it's a bigger screen, and the controller is actually very well integrated with this, and I was blown away. I was like, yo, this screen is this big. I can see everything so much better. And now he has the opportunity to see it through a PS4, whereas he didn't have it with a laptop. You know, because you can do it from your phone, PS4, laptop. It's really, you have any opportunity with any smart device. You could probably even do it from a fridge, like a little Samsung fridge.
Wow.
I'm thinking that's possible.
Wow. So you actually found the way to put the charts through a PS4 so your buddy could actually look at the charts. Wow. So not only can you do it from your smartphone, from your laptop, desktop, tablet, but now we figured out how to do it from a PS4. So ladies and gentlemen, you have no excuse. You can make this happen. And man, Harrison, your story is so crazy. So crazy. Matter of fact, you just mentioned you're how old are you?
I'm 19. I just turned 19 like 10 days ago.
19.
Yeah.
Well, happy belated birthday, but man.
Well, thank you.
Oh my God. If I was 19 years old making that type of money, man, that's amazing. Well, salute to you, man. Listen, there's going to be a lot of people who see this video and they're going to want to reach out to you. They're going to want to connect with you. They're going to want to get started with you. How can they find you?
They can find me on Instagram. My @ is GodBroMan. GodBroMan.
And I'm going to put it on the screen for you so everybody knows how to spell it, how to get to you. Guys, if you're watching this video right now and you want to connect with us, definitely get with Harrison. His Instagram is on the screen right now. You guys know who I am. Mr. Kingdom Cash, my beautiful wife, Lady Kingdom Cash, and I. You can reach out to us. You can find us actually in our private free information group. I'll put that on the screen for you as well. IncreaseMeNow.info. You can get into the group. You can put Harrison's name. Make sure you put Harrison. Or you can put Mr. Kingdom Cash as the person who introduced you. Watch the video at the top of the group. It explains how everything works. And then just reach out to us, and we would love to help you learn how to do this, right? Harrison is a great guy. Obviously, he's took the strategy and is like killing it with it. Great guy to connect yourself to, or you can connect to me, either way. And we would love to actually show you how you can do this. And, you know, we're just a bunch of genuine people who love seeing other people win. It doesn't matter if you're watching this video on YouTube or you ran across it on another social media platform. You know, my life changed through a Facebook message. Your life can change after watching a YouTube video or wherever else platform you saw this on. So don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to help you. Harrison, man, salute to you. Congratulations, man. Can't wait to see how far you take this.
Oh, I'm going to take it as far as I can.
Yes, sir. All right, everybody, as I always say, like, subscribe, you know, follow, all that good stuff. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And as always, if you can simplify trading, you can maximize profits. I'll see you guys in the free information group. Can't wait to help you guys.